Welcome to the channel. Today we are diving into the Sketchbook app and learning how to manage the marking menu efficiently. If you want to customize your workflow and make drawing smoother, first, open the Sketchbook app on your phone. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three horizontal lines. Then, from the menu that appears, scroll down and tap on Preferences. Then, scroll down until you see the marking menu section. Here, you will notice 5 different types of marking menus available. Tap on the one you want to change. A list of new menu options will appear, allowing you to select the one that fits your drawing style best. Finally, after making your selection, click on Done at the top left corner to save your new marking menu settings. Now your marking menu is fully customized and ready to use. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.